Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals. In this video we learn animal names, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Are you ready toddlers? Let's start the video. The first one is a sheep. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. The next one is a panda. P is for panda. This is a donkey. This is a donkey. This is a dog. This is a dog. This is a lioness. This is a lioness. This is elephant. E is for elephant. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. R is for rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. G is for gorilla. The next one is a camel. This is a camel. C is for camel. This is a camel. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. D is for deer.